it's your girl Shruti. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video and I'm back with part 2 of 2026 half year wrap up. लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने बताया था आई विल बी मेकिंग अ पार्ट 2 ऑफ इट बिकॉज इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स थे जो मुझे आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने थे एंड एक वीडियो में उतने सारे मैं नहीं डाल सकती हूँ. एंड दिस टाइम ऑल्सो इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. आई हैव ओरल केयर, स्किन केयर, मेकअप, सम बॉडी केयर एज वेल. सो इफ यू वांट टू नो व्हाट ऑल आई हैव बीन लविंग सिंस Jan till now, definitely keep on watching till the end and let's get started. Before getting started, I just want to give a quick disclaimer. You guys might feel कि मैं सारे products को बहुत अच्छा है बोल रही हूँ. That's because मैंने वही items इस वीडियो में एंड लास्ट वीडियो में ऐड किए थे जो मुझे जेन्युइनली काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आए थे इन दिस ईयर. दैट इज़ द रीज़न मैं सारे प्रोडक्ट्स को अच्छा है बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज सेल सीजन स्टार्ट हो गया है. अमेजोन पे भी प्राइम डे सेल स्टार्ट होने वाला है. दीज आर काइंड ऑफ लाइक माई पिक्स for the sale season. So if you guys like any of the products, you can just buy them without thinking about it because I've tested and tried it out throughout the year. So yeah, let's start with oral care first. And of course, I have to talk about my favorite electric toothbrush. This one specifically by Oral-B is my favorite one. इसके पहले भी मैं electric toothbrush I think 2025 end of it I had started using it and तभी मैं Perfora का use करी थी, एकदम basic one that just vibrates, does absolutely nothing, just vibrates, and that really didn't do a lot. But this one on the other hand rotates, isolates and vibrates. एंड जेन्युइनली बोल रही हूँ सिंस द स्टार्ट ऑफ 2026 आई हैव नॉट सीन एनी प्लग फॉर्मेशन एट द बॉटम एज वेल एज इनसाइड. यहाँ पर बहुत ईजिली प्लग फॉर्म होता है अगर आप नॉर्मल टूथब्रश यूज़ कर रहे हो. आई डोंट थिंक इट क्लीन्स योर टूथ इतना अच्छे से जितना ये करता है. सो इफ यू हैव नॉट स्विच टू इलेक्ट्रिक टूथब्रश येट, कंसिडर दिस वीडियो एज माई वे ऑफ सेइंग स्विच टू दिस वन. आई kid you not, इतना ज़्यादा मुझे डिफरेंस लगा है स्पेशली इन ऑल ऑफ द क्लीनिंग. It's like A1. Another product that has made a huge difference in my oral hygiene is a water flosser. This one is by Perfora. And ये basically high pressure water फेंकता है. That is like a pressure wash for your teeth. Of course, you don't have to concentrate it on your teeth, but your gums and in between your teeth to get rid of any leftover food. So I like to use this इन बिटवीन माई मील्स, लंच के बाद, ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद, डिनर के बाद, ताकि कोई भी लेफ्ट ओवर फूड आपके गम्स में और टीथ में ना रहे. ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन यूज इट आफ्टर ब्रशिंग योर टीथ एज वेल. ओवरडू मत करना, बट इट जेन्युइनली मेक्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. If you are someone who is a little bit more lazy to do that physical floss formation, you can replace it with this. Of course, उतना ज़्यादा effective नहीं है ये वाला, but still it does the job and I genuinely love using this. As I said, this and that has really helped me with no plaque formation on the bottom and above teeth, which again I've been loving. इसमें multiple pressure modes है and I generally like to go like 3 in between. 5 बहुत ही ज़्यादा हाई है, लाइक द हाइएस्ट वन इज़ वे टू हाई फॉर मी एंड लो इज़ टू लो. सो आप आपके हिसाब से प्रेशर देख लेना. बट या इट डज द जॉब एंड इट वर्क, सो आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड. Talking about body care, let's talk about the scrub I have been using since start of 2026. It's this one by Wild Oak. It's their watermelon shea butter sugar scrub. It has collagen and peptides infused. Look at it. It's almost over. I think 2 से 3 बारी मैं ये यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. Smells divine. I love watermelon flavored anything and this one smells so good. It literally looks like watermelon because it has that black beads as well. In general, scrub wise I really like it. काफ़ी small sugar particles है and आप मसाज कर सकते हो. You actually have like a point where it dissolves, so you know that you have used it up. मेरा बॉडी काफ़ी ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट फील करता है आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड आई लव दैट इट वॉशेज ऑफ ईजीली. डव वाला इट फील्स वे टू हैवी एंड पूरा वॉशरूम स्लिपरी हो जाता है, मेरा बॉडी स्लिपरी हो जाता है. नॉट दिस वन, इट वॉशेज ऑफ क्वाइट वेल विच आई एब्सोल्युटली लव ऑनेस्टली. एंड एज आई सेड, इट लीव्स माई बॉडी फीलिंग नाइस, soft, and also preps my skin for the shave afterwards. Whenever I have to shave my body, always follow it up with a scrub first and then I go ahead and shave my body. So yeah, I've been loving this one. The smell is so good. I think इसमें एक pina colada version भी है. I'm really excited to try that one. Once this is finished, I'll pick that one. I quickly wanted to talk about my curl cream and gel obsession, my latest obsession, because I've been using this literally every single wash day. I am obsessed with it. I mean, obviously, being a curly girl and being a content creator, we do get sent a lot of products and lot of curly hair products. तो मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा products in rotation use करती हूँ. But this one has been my current obsession. I've been using and styling my hair with these non-stop, and the curls that I get out of this is so good. It's so, like, look at that definition. I get volume. It's not super heavy on my hair. It gives me that volume that I personally like. I don't like chapat curls. I like volume, and this keeps my curls moisturized, gives me a beautiful definition, gives me volume, literally everything I want. So yeah, and my curls last. Something that I have noticed quite a lot is whenever I use this, my curls last. This is day 5, if I'm not wrong, day 5 curls. Of course, मैंने थोड़ा refresh किया हुआ है. No products, just water and restyled, like brushed my curls and restyled it without using any extra products, just water. And the base जो मैंने जब style किया था, this was the styler that I'd used. So I just wanted to point that out because last video में मैंने shampoo और conditioner के बारे में बात किया था, but I did not speak about the stylers. So yeah, this is my current obsession. Hair products के बारे में बात ही कर रहे हैं, so I thought let's just talk about the products that I use to do these kind of hairstyles as well. So this is by Moxie. It's their headliner hair stick. And this is again on the fly. This is also something similar, but this is like a mascara thing, and this is more like the wax thing. Love using both of them. This is always in my purse whenever I'm traveling, and if I have something like this going on, like a slick back or just half up half down with some slick back at the top, this is always in my bag. But this one, honestly, so good. I've used other hair waxes as well, but वो ना मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा वैक्सी और हेवी लगते हैं. Whenever I use that, I have to head into the shower the next day. I can't stretch it more. But this one, I use it literally, I started from the second day onwards. Like few flyaways here and there, I just apply it slightly and I'm good to go. It does not feel very frizzy. You know, day 2, day 3 hair आप सोते हो, frizz is bound to happen. It's like you can't really have zero frizz every single day. So for those days, this is so good. It's lightweight. It does not feel super waxy and heavy on your hair. You can actually wear your hair even after applying this on your head. So that's what I like about this. Super good. And again, look at that. No flyaways whatsoever. I'll give you multiple directions of this. These are the 2 products that I've used for my slick backs. So love it. And also this one, as I said, on the go, if I have few flyaways here and there, I sometimes use this as well, and I mainly use it to do my edges. This makes a huge difference and makes your slick backs look even more neater to do your edges. So I love this, and also I use it on my hair as well. So ये 2 product अगर आपने नहीं try किया है, please add it in your cart and try it out. अभी sale चल रहा है, you'll get it at a good price. So yeah. Now I mainly like to use chemical exfoliator to exfoliate my face, but one of my guilty pleasures is to use a nose strip, and this one is one of my favorite nose strips. I think I've been using this since 2025 and it's been constant in my life. This is by Sanfe. It's their deep purifying nose strip. Love this one. Very inexpensive, yet does the job so freaking well. It literally takes out every single gunk, whitehead, blackhead, little bit of that nose hair as well off, especially over here जो थोड़ा सा black ऐसे, that's mainly blackheads and sometimes very tiny little black hair as well जो काफ़ी visible होते हैं if you have lighter skin tone. So love this one. This has Fuji green tea and witch hazel. I just love it. It just does the job. So if you want a good recommendation on nose strips, this is the one. Next, I wanted to talk about this face wash that I've been using since 2 months. 2 months बोल सकते हो consistently. This is by PhD. It's a ceramide hydrating cleanser. Now, if you've used Simple ka cleanser, the fragrance, the way it performs, exactly same. It's literally exactly same. It feels same. The smell is similar. Now, it does not have any fragrance, but because of that, it has this chemical fragrance which I'm not a big fan of. But if you can ignore that, and if you want something that is fragrance free, does not have any chemicals, does not have any harsh ingredients, just a simple face wash that does the job, then you can definitely check this one out. आई वुड से इट्स अ सो बट मैंने ये ट्राई किया था ये साल में, तो मुझे इसके बारे में बात करनी थी. माई करंट सनस्क्रीन ऑब्सेशन इज दिस वन बाय डॉट एंड की. इट्स अ स्ट्रॉबेरी ड्यू सनस्क्रीन मिस्ट. आई लव एनीथिंग that comes in a spray format, and it's a sunscreen which has SPF 50 by the way, and it just is so easy first of all to wear and use. जब भी मैं जिम जाती हूँ, this is a sunscreen that I love to use. Moisturizes, gives that glow, and still it doesn't feel like that sticky feeling. Matte है but still you have that glow. I love using this under my makeup. अभी भी मैंने मेकअप लगाने से पहले यही सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई किया है. So easy, and because of that I feel like I end up using it more, because you just have to pick it up, spray on your face, pat, good to go. I don't have to open it, apply, like take it on my hands and then tap it. You know, steps cut out होते हैं. And if you're a lazy person, something like this is such a good product to have. Love it, grab it. Another product that I've started using in 2026, I think एक महीना में स्टार्ट में मैंने ये स्टार्ट किया था यूज़ करना. दिस इज बाय रास. इज द लैशेस लैश एंड ब्राउ ग्रोथ सीरम. आई बीन यूजिंग दिस कंसिस्टेंटली एवरी सिंगल डे ऑन माई लैशेस. मॉर्निंग में एंड रात में जब भी मैं स्किन केयर करती हूँ, बेसिकली दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ माई स्किन केयर रूटीन आई वुड से. एंड यू हैव टू अप्लाई दिस ऑन योर लैशेस एंड ऑन योर आईब्राउज. सो ये मैं बोलूँगी मुझे डिफरेंस दिखाई दिया है. नाउ आई हैव डन लैश लिफ्ट. आई थिंक 2 महीने हो गए मेरे लैश लिफ्ट को, एंड माई लैश लिफ्ट इज़ नॉट कमिंग डाउन. इट्स स्टिल देयर, विच इज़ अ गुड थिंग. बट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मुझे नया ग्रोथ समझ में आ रहा है. बिकॉज द लैश लिफ्ट ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट माई नेचुरल कर्ल पैटर्न, इट्स लाइक लिफ्टेड अप. सो जो भी नया ग्रोथ आ रहा है, इट्स coming जैसे मेरा natural hair है, like straight. So one set of lashes are up there and one set of lashes are coming right straight. और जब मैंने start भी किया ना 15 days में, I could see small lashes coming and जो छोटे थे and was like growing like this. I don't know. But मैंने अभी मस्कारा भी लगाया, तो I don't know if you guys can see, but you can see one set of lashes right over here. That's the lash lift one, जो पहले हुआ करते थे मेरे lashes before I did. And this is the new set जो ऐसे थोड़ा straight है, but obviously मैंने थोड़ा उसको press किया है, so it's slightly curled, but this is the new set of lashes. And weirdly, I feel this set is doing so much better than this one. I'm not seeing a lot of growth on this eyelashes. I don't know why. What's the difference, bro? This is growing beautifully. This is not growing so much. So I don't know if it's this one or just randomly मेरे ये वाले आँख ने डिसाइड किया यहाँ पर ज़्यादा आना चाहिए. I don't know. यहाँ पर मुझे इतना डिफरेंस जेन्युइनली नहीं दिख रहा है. Like I can only see the lash lift lashes and few pieces here and there, but this one full fledged एक और set of lashes आ गया इस पे. So yeah, and I do feel for my eyebrows as well. I think it has become a little bit more dense. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पहले थोड़ा अगर मैं फ़ोटो लेती थी and I've not done my eyebrows, like fill them in, it used to look bald. Okay, but now I feel like थोड़ा darkness आ गया है, थोड़ा dense हो गया है. Maybe it works. I'll finish this product out. आप देख सकते हो. I think 1 महीने से 1.5 बोल सकते हो, इतना मैंने ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ. कंसिस्टेंटली यूज़ किया है मैंने. सो आई थिंक ये पूरा 2.5 मंथ आपको सफाइस करेगा. लेट्स सी, लेट मी फिनिश दिस प्रोडक्ट फुल्ली एंड देन आई शो यू गाइज द डिफरेंस. टॉकिंग अबाउट लैशेज, हाउ कैन वी नॉट टॉक अबाउट माई लेटेस्ट लैश ऑब्सेशन. सो आई एम नॉट समवन हु लाइक्स टू डू स्ट्रिप लैशेज, फॉल्स लैशेज. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद आता था, और वो लिफ्ट होता था, मुझे ढंग से अप्लाई करने नहीं आता था. बट दैट हैज़ चेंज्ड since I got introduced to pre-glued lash clusters. I love lash clusters का look. It looks very natural. It sticks underneath, so उसका lash band नहीं दिखाई देता, काफ़ी ज़्यादा natural लगता है. This one specifically is what I started out with. This by Make Create. It's their false eyelashes and it looks something like this. This is pre-glued, so you don't even have to worry about gluing your lashes then sticking it. It's pre-glued, so आपको just उठाना है, इसको लगाना है, press करना है, and you're good to go. And this is so good. It sticks and it does not come off. आप ऐसे भी निकालने का ट्राई करोगे ना, नहीं आने वाला है ये बाहर. You need like an oil cleanser. आपको थोड़ा मसाज करना है. You have to let it soak in, तब जाके ये ग्लू निकलता है. जस्ट डिस्क्लेमर दे रही हूँ मैं, नहीं तो ऐसे निकालने जाओगे आपके लैशेज आ जाएंगे बाहर. So good. But if you are someone who wants to do your lashes and you want it to last you for a week, something again that I've been using and trying out quite a lot. This lash bond and lock thing, I think this is from Balian, ऐसा कुछ तो ब्रांड है अमेजोन पे. इट हैज़ बॉन्ड एंड लॉक. इसका मैंने वेरी इन डेप्थ ट्यूटोरियल दिया हुआ है मेरे चैनल पे. आई लीव द लिंक अप फॉर यू गाइज. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू यूज़ दैट विद समथिंग लाइक दिस. दिस इज़ अगेन लैश क्लस्टर्स. आप ये भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, आप ये वाला भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू हैव एनी लैश क्लस्टर्स यू कैन यूज़ दैट. सो या इसका कैसे यूज़ करना है इन डेप्थ ट्यूटोरियल मेरे ऑलरेडी चैनल पे है, आप वो चेकआउट कर सकते हो. बट दिस थिंग लास्ट मी फॉर अ वीक. अगर मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगी एंड जस्ट वॉश क्लेंस, आई हैव यूज्ड ऑयल क्लेंजर्स, फेस वॉश, मतलब प्रॉपर ये किया है, बट फिर भी वो लिफ्ट नहीं हुआ है. एंड इट हैज़ लास्टेड मी फॉर अ गुड वीक. एंड उसके बाद भी देयर वॉज नो लिफ्टिंग. मैंने खुद से रिमूव किया था उसको. यू नीड अ सेपरेट सोल्यूशन फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ बॉन्ड, विच अगेन आई हैव मेंशन्ड इन दैट वीडियो. सो प्लीज़ गो चेक इट आउट. Okay, इसके बाद I'm gonna quickly go through all of my makeup current obsessions. So first one is this one by ELF. It's a color correcting eye brightener. It's so freaking good, so creamy. And honestly ये लगाने के बाद मुझे concealer भी लगाने का मन नहीं करता because it color corrects, brightens and conceals. So just get it. Just get this one. Especially if you are similar to my skin tone, if you are wheatish and you have light to medium skin tone, grab this one. So good. And इसमें भी color options आते हैं, so if you're deeper obviously grab your color. So good. Just grab this one. Next one is this illuminator by Mars. It's their God's Glow illuminator. I've been using it since 2025 and it's still going good. And I'm still obsessed with this one. I've literally stopped using any other skin tints honestly because यही मैं use करती हूँ. And look at that base, look at that glow. It's this one. And I love that it gives you that glow. It gives you that illuminated inner glow look. Plus it has coverage. So I honestly don't feel like using anything else. ये लगाती हूँ and that ELF thing on my under eyes and I'm good to go. So yeah. If you are interested in grabbing this one, just grab it, man. You're getting it at such a good price because of the sale. Just get it. I'm in the shade 03 beige. This is like a perfect color for me. So if you're similar, you can just grab this one. इसमें भी color options बहुत सारे available है, which is a good thing. So yeah, Mars is doing some really good job because the next product that I want to talk about is again by Mars. It's their powder. It's their trend setting powder. Again, something that I've been using for quite some while now and I really like it. I mean, ये ना इतना fine है कि ये high end powders को टक्कर देता है. Plus, I feel like whenever I apply this, it kind of gives that blur वाला effect on my face. Especially near the under eyes. If you have a lot of shiny surfaces, if you're oily prone skin, grab this one. I have dry skin but I still end up using it and it's so good. As I said, I literally use it every single day and I'm obsessed with it, so definitely grab this one. Next is a blush duo that I've been using again non-stop. The first one is by Etude. Again, I've spoken about this over and over and over, but I feel like I have to keep talking about it because I've been using it. Okay, this is their Dear Darling Water tint. I love this tint. I love the cherry version of it. This is like the strawberry pinkish thing because वो cherry वाला खत्म हो गया और मुझे ये खत्म करना है. I love both of them honestly. और ये ऐसा product है जो मैं every single day लगाती हूँ. Even if I'm going to the gym, I just like to apply this a little on my lips, a little on my cheeks, and it just adds that flush of color without making it look like मैंने makeup लगाया है. So whenever I'm stepping out, this thing is always on my face, okay? And I love whenever I'm sitting to film something like this, I love to mix these two together. So I'll apply the pink one first, like this one. And then I'll use the other one. This is by PAC. It's their Dewy Liquid Blush. And this is in the shade Fudge Me Not. It's a beautiful coral shade. And I love applying this just over here. Blend it in. You will see how beautiful this combo looks. It's literally sunset on my cheeks. I love the combination of this pink and coral-ish color. I don't know, something about this just makes it look so pretty. It's almost like summer on my cheeks. Literally looks a good skin burnt. बोल सकते हो आप? I don't know. You can see it looks so freaking beautiful. I'm obsessed. Okay, another eyebrow product that I've been loving since the start of 2026 is this one again by PAC. pack does such good products. This is a transparent mascara. I love using transparent mascara whenever I'm heading out, or even when I'm sitting to film and I'm doing like a full face of makeup for events, literally for every single thing I am using this product. आप देख सकते हो इतना almost ख़त्म हो चुका है. It has no fragrance, but after some time it starts smelling a little weird, but I still end up using it because the hold this gives, my eyebrows are not going anywhere. Once I use this, it's like lamination, honestly. I love the amount of hold that it gives, and it just looks like this the whole day. I love it. It's a transparent mascara. What do you want me to say more about it? So love it, definitely grab it. And the last few products that I want to talk about are these kajals by Faye. Again, I think each and every makeup tutorial that I've done, I have included some of the other products over here, but I think this has been my constant. मैंने बहुत सारे kajals again use किए, but these are so freaking good. I've literally used them every single day. I have it in 2 shades, Intense Gel Kajal in Brown Sugar, and this is Black Sesame. Brown and black I think are staples. Everyone must have a brown kajal and a black kajal. You can do so much with this. I literally do a full blown eyeshadow look with these, or just like a simple brown kajal a little bit on top as well as in the waterline, and it looks good. So yeah, काफ़ी अच्छा है, and it stays put the whole freaking day. It's not gonna go anywhere. You're not gonna look like a raccoon after a few hours, or it's waterproof, smudge proof, and everything that they have mentioned, it works and it stays put. So I really like it. So good. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे links मैं description में दे दूंगी. Do not forget to check them out. And as I said, अभी perfect opportunity है because Amazon Prime Day sale start होने वाला है. You can get 70% off on top beauty and fashion brands. So if you like any of them, definitely add it in your cart and get your shopping done. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Anywhere you go, give it